First go to the file and choose open. Select this man image. Click open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the black t-shirt like this. Now press Ctrl J twice to create two separate layers from the selection. Select the top layer. Now go to blend modes and choose multiply. Select the middle layer. Now go to the adjustment layer options and choose solid color adjustment layer. Here select your color. Click OK. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose screen. Now select the top layer. Go to image, adjustments and choose levels. Here adjust the input levels like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.